Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making mango chili lime kraut. In the summertime in New York City, vendors pop up serving mangoes sprinkled with chili powder and a fresh squeeze of lime. And it's the best combination of sweet, sour, and a little bit of heat. We love it so much that we wanted to combine those flavors into a sauerkraut recipe. And if you want to learn how to ferment even more vegetables, please subscribe to this channel, click that bell icon, and you'll be alerted every time we come out with a new video. Now let's get started on this kraut. For this recipe, you'll need 1 head of cabbage, 1 mango, 2 limes, peeled, keep peeling, 1½ tablespoons of salt, and up to 1 teaspoon of cayenne. You can certainly go lighter if you don't like things spicy. Remove the outer layers of the cabbage, reserving 1 leaf. Cut your cabbage in half and then into quarters. You'll want to remove the core from each piece. There you go. And repeat. Cut the cabbage into thin ribbons. And add to your bowl. Repeat for each quarter. And done. Add your salt and start massaging. Rubbing the cabbage in salt helps break down the cell walls and causes it to release liquid. Massage for 8 to 10 minutes. Keep going. And done. Add your cut up mango, lime peels, and cayenne. And then mix it all together. Perfect. Transfer everything into your glass fermenter. Lime peels and all, but remember to take those out before eating. And add all the liquid that came out too. Perfect. Top with your reserved leaf. We like using the lid to cut it into a perfect circle. Add your fermentation weight. And then if your liquid levels are low, top with brine. A little bit more. Add your lid. And airlock. And ferment away. Using mango adds a little bit of sugar into your kraut, so it can ferment a little bit faster than your other recipes. So we recommend tasting it after 5 days and then moving it to the fridge before a week. One of our favorite uses for this sauerkraut is as a coleslaw. So this mango chili lime kraut is great if you mix in a little bit of mayo or Greek yogurt, and it's instant coleslaw to add to your picnic table. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for tuning in, and please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Bye.